Sherwin-Williams makes two versions of WoodScapes. There's the original and one called Rain Refresh. It's pitched as self-cleaning, and dirt just rinses away in the rain. But here's the thing that really got my attention. According to Sherwin-Williams' own documentation, you can apply the original at nearly twice the mill thickness as the Rain Refresh. But the Rain Refresh has a 25% longer warranty. Normally, less material means less protection. But buried deep in the manufacturer's own documentation is a single number that explains absolutely everything. And we're going to get there. Let's first start with why the film is thinner. We start by seeing that the resin isn't the same between these two products. The original WoodScapes runs on an acrylic latex, the standard workhorse vehicle for most exterior water-based stains. Rain Refresh is listed as 100% acrylic, and that label matters more than how it sounds. Acrylic latex is actually a broad term. It leaves room for vinyl acrylic copolymers in the blend, which are less expensive to formulate, but they don't perform at the same level. They would be less flexible, have less UV resistance, and less adhesion over time. 100% acrylic means absolutely none of that. So we see the Rain Refresh's thinner application isn't necessarily a red flag. The resin itself is doing a lot more work. So a better resin might explain a thinner film, but it doesn't explain why that warranty is 25% longer. Something else in the can has to be doing the additional work. And that's where the documentation gets even more specific. As we look at this side by side, the original WoodScapes leans on a conventional mildew inhibitor package. This is standard stuff that's been used for decades, and it does the job at that higher film bill. The Rain Refresh swaps that out entirely for carbendazim. This is a fungicide, and it's a meaningfully more aggressive one than the original. Think of it this way. If you need protection, would you rather have 1 inch of steel or 10 feet of pillows? More film thickness isn't always going to be the answer. Sometimes the better material is going to win. This is exactly what's happening here. They're not compensating for less film here. They're replacing the conventional inhibitor with something that's engineered to hit harder at a fraction of the concentration. Now, here's the number that I promised you. For most coatings, when you think of waterproofing or vapor barriers, you actually want a low permeability number. And the reason for that is because you want to keep moisture out. But for solid stains on wood, this is completely different. Wood is not concrete. It moves. It's going to breathe. It cycles moisture in and out with each session. A film that can't move with it isn't going to protect it. It's going to fight it. So knowing all of this, for solid stains, that number actually is going to flip. In this case, a higher number is going to be better. Original WoodScapes measures 15.39 perms. Rain Refresh measures 42.25, nearly 3 times more breathable. And this is the real reason why the thinner material can carry a much longer warranty. It's not fighting the wood. It's actually working with it. So as we look at these two products, we see that the Rain Refresh, they have a different resin from the original, a more aggressive fungicide, a film that lets your wood breathe nearly 3 times the rate of the original product. This is 3 documented and verifiable reasons why this thinner product is going to have a longer warranty. But sadly, there's one thing that I still can't tell you. And that's about that self-cleaning claim. We know it does work. People aren't imagining it. That ingredient is actually a secret and not in any public documentation. But if I ever do find out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.